Hi, your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But today I bring sad news. Rev Benjamin Dube has officially announced that he is leaving the spirit of praise. A moment of silence indeed, because this came as a shock mostly to his fans and the listeners of Spirit of Praise, because we are not expecting this, but because we are still expecting more gospel bangers from Benjamin Dube and his team. But I guess nothing hectic happened, but Benjamin Dube stated that he is leaving the group with nothing but love, honor, and being grateful for the opportunity and the partnership that he had with Spirit of Praise for all the years he was working with them. Akodrama Bandle Nzegile, Uti is now going to answer his other callings that the good Lord has placed him on. You see, well, what was more shocking it is when we found out that Benjamin Dube is not the owner of Spirit of Praise. This does reveal how much we are not reading here, because allegedly people thought that Benjamin Dube owned a Spirit of Praise. Kanti ayibandla akusiyena. Si owner Aubrey Peacock and Matthew Nkabinde. Hence he mentioned on that press release because he's thankful for the owners of a Spirit of Praise and the time that he has served. And as he is leaving the Spirit of Praise, he's not entirely leaving a gospel music, but because he is still going to mentor the new rising gospel singers. I can already see Odumim Gokstadi and many others being raised under his hands. Indeed, he played his part in blessing thousands of people out there with his gospel music. We really hope he's going to make it out there. That's it for today, but please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.